Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today, our market has broken down. In fact, when the global cues were very good, but still we were falling for the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. And ahead of TCS results, markets were very nervous yesterday. And now market has clearly broken down. If you can remember, on May 12, Nifty shot up from 24,000 to 25,000 approximately. And then after that, the markets were consolidating for about 4 to 5 weeks. Then finally, one day, I think it was on 26th of June, and Nifty broke out of 25,200 decisively. And then we thought the markets will be continuing its bull run, and then 25,200 itself will be a good support now. But after consolidating between 25,200 and 25,700, and today, because of this TCS results, and the Nifty has broken 25,200 decisively. If you look at the Nifty, Reliance is a very major index heavyweight, and yesterday they said that they are postponing their Reliance Jio IPO. So that's a negative news. So because of that, Reliance has been falling, and today also it has fallen. So that's a index heavyweight, so that will have a major impact on the index. And after the Reliance, the banks, IT, FMCG and auto. So these are the 4 major indices, out of which the Bank Nifty has been doing well, but IT index has been doing very well, not doing very well. So when Bank Nifty is above all-time high, last year high, but IT index about 15-16% lower, and now it is going towards 20% lower. So if it is more than 20% lower, then it is in a bear market. And today, it is not only IT, how much percentage IT fell, the same percentage even auto index has fallen. And in fact, FMCG also would have fallen that much just because there is a good news in Hindustan Unilever. There's a change of leadership there. So because of that, Hindustan Unilever shot up 4%. So that's why FMCG escaped. So now, like earlier I said in one of my pre-market report, I think now one side Bank Nifty bullish and FMCG, IT and auto bearish. Now, what is going to happen? Whether these 3 index is going to go higher or Bank Nifty is going to come down. So clearly, Nifty has broken the support level of 25,200, and of course, next support level is 25,000. So it depends upon the global cues and other things to see whether that will also be taken out. But although Nifty has broken down, the India VIX did not shoot up much. So that means still people believe, okay, TCS result has come, and because of that, TCS has fallen. Along with that, other IT index has fallen, IT stocks has fallen, and now that bad news has already been factored in. So for next 2-3 days, I think that HCL Technology, Wipro, Tata Technology, only IT stocks will be coming out with results. Axis Bank result will come next week, Thursday after the market hours. Then Saturday, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So that will decide the trend in banking stocks. So still people believe that the markets are likely to consolidate, but however, short term they have become so bearish. Even in the weekly option, even 25,300 call option has been added in huge quantities. 25,300, 400, 500, so everywhere call options have been added. To add fuel to the fire, the Trump also started talking. Today morning he said Canada 35% tax. I think for European countries also is going to announce tax today. So, like the Trump has gone back to his own style. So this is what was happening in February. So every day, say 5%, 10%, 20%, 50%, 100%, it went up to 245% against China. For 3 months, there was a pause. And I spoke many times. During these 3 months, nobody seems to have bothered with the US. And only two countries, UK and Vietnam, they signed the tariff agreement with the US. Other than that, nobody else has done. So now, as usual, the Trump will be shouting. So that's what is happening. But even the US markets is not listening to him this time. So we need to see how things going to pan out. And so whether it's bad news has come factored in, okay, we are going to consolidate or we are going to continue to fall further. We will know in the next 1 or 2 trading sessions. But I still believe that Nifty is likely to trade between 25,000 and 26,000 at least until the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank results come. And then after that, market, can break down or break out. So that we will see later. So today is Friday, so there's nothing much to discuss, US markets yesterday closed at all-time high, but now they are lower because of this series of announcement by Trump. So if there is any panic in US market, just like today, Friday mayhem, all the bad things happens on Friday. So if something like that happens, then, the GIFT Nifty will fall, then Monday our market will also fall. FIIs have sold for about 5,000 plus crores. The domestic institutions have bought for 3,500 plus crore. So still there is a net selling of about 1,500 crore. But today, the damage seems to be more in the broader market than the index heavyweights. So mid cap, small cap, so they all have fallen more than the large cap. So anyway, rest of the things we will see on Sunday during the Lull State Week Ahead program and then followed by Monday morning. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.